What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the most limitless flip phone is coming, and we saw with the Galaxy S23 Ultra how good was that Samsung's phone, but the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Z Fold 5 will be the brand new smartphones to wonder. Now the Flip 5 will be coming with a brand new 3.1 inch of an outer display, which is one of the biggest changes in the Flip 5 you are going to see. Not only that, it will also be coming with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, and thanks to the Geekbench 6, now we also have a level beyond to see its actual scores on the Geekbench. Now, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is outperforming both the Z Fold 5 and also the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now beating them in the single core and the multi-core performance, which is amazing kind of performance in the Flip on the paper. Alongside with its performance, it will be coming with the promises of an incredible battery life in the Flip 5, and we have also seen in the S23 series also it will be the first one to bring the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon greatness again. And not only that, for the overall in the global market, but overall the surprises are coming in the Unpacked event in the August, and it is coming from the sources that Samsung might actually bring a tri-fold folding smartphone. In the years we haven't expected much, but it's coming fine. It can be true this year in August with the two hinges. Basically it will be the Z Fold on steroids, and we are going to see a bigger display and far more possibilities than a normal folding smartphone like the original Galaxy Fold 4 and we have seen in the Galaxy Foldables. But not only that, what you can expect from these smartphones is also the Samsung phone will be giving its new design of a tri-folding base, but it could be actually the first ever ultra folding phone from Samsung in the market or in the high-end devices. Well, the Galaxy S23 is also not getting that much sales in the phone, but it will be coming with the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, or the FE is coming, and we can expect this smartphone in December of 2023. Now the last Fan Edition was indeed S21 FE, which was a good smartphone after its price dropped. But let's see how does this smartphone holds, and consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom so you never miss an update from us on the Galaxy S23 FE also. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.